What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to make a very powerful energy drink booster, and I'm going to show you how I do that. That booster can also work as a supplement if you are going to the gym, if you're just tired, you wake up and you're feeling tired and you want some energy, a game coming up, a football match, a cricket match, or soccer match, anything coming up, and you want to boost your energy. So what I use is a couple bananas, those that is already just a little past ripe. They're best use, and of course some sweet milk, and for best effect you can put peanuts in there. You can drop a few peanuts in there with your bananas, and a nice cold glass of water or a cold bottle of water. But in this case I don't have peanuts, so I'm going to use digestive cookies. I'm going to use just a few digestive cookies. So again, this is one of the most powerful energy drink that you can make at home for yourself, and it's effective because I have tried it. So if you want to boost your energy drink, this is the way to go. So what I do, like I said, you get the banana, it's a little already past ripe, and you put it in there, peel the banana, drop it in there. For me, 2 bananas, it's maybe, all depends on the size of the banana, it could be okay, but by the looks of it, 2 banana, it's not enough because there are small bananas, so I'm gonna put some more bananas in there, maybe about 3 or 4, all depends on how much you want to put in there. You can put as much as you want. Put bananas, and I'm gonna drop my crackers in there. And I'm gonna add some cold water in there. I'm gonna go in with my milk, my sweet milk, or condensed milk, how you call it in the Caribbean. Preferable you to use a nice fresh tin of milk. That's the ones that's not in the fridge, because the ones in the fridge is gonna be too cold. Freezed up. So you're gonna make that nice and sweet. Drop that in there. Gonna cover that up, make sure it's covered nice and tight, and then we're gonna blend it up. So it's like you're making a smoothie, So now I have nice, I'm gonna find me a nice tall glass, and I'm gonna pour that up. Look at that, look how nice and creamy that is. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Very good. So this is how you have it. This is how you make your own energy booster, home energy booster. home for yourself, and you don't have to worry about going to the store and buy a whole bunch of expensive boosters, supplements, you call it, that does not work. So like I said, you can put a wide variety of ingredients in here. You can put banana, of course, is the most important ingredient. You can put your peanuts in it. From those of you in the Caribbean, you can put supplement in it as well, or crackers. You can also drop crackers in it. So that's just, or if you want, you can put all of the above. So if you like this video today, guys, give us a thumb up, and you can share this video, share it to somebody, to a friend and family, and see you again in the next one. Cheers.